Oh, those mushrooms are sizzling. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. All right, bros, we're gonna turn these cremini mushrooms into a delicious snack. It's super easy, it's so good. You can use it as a snack or a side dish. So first thing you wanna do, you wanna soak up these skewers here. I don't know, grab a few, dropped one on the floor, just to get them a little bit wet so they don't burn to a crisp while in the oven or in the barbecue. I definitely cook this mostly on the barbecue, but for today, I'm just gonna do them in the oven. It's really cold and snowy outside. So while I have those sticks getting nice and moist, I'm gonna rinse off these mushrooms. Some people don't rinse them, I do. Find you gotta get off some of the peat moss or other, I don't know what all those little black and brown spots are. So I just give them a nice little rinse. Try not to shake the camera too much. All right, so get some of that extra water out. I'm gonna toss these bad boys into a bowl. It's so easy. You don't really need to be a pro cook to make anything like this. All right, so we got the bowl there. So first thing we're gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, then we're gonna add some garlic salt, to tie it all in. Gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Let's go. Easy, easy. Okay, we're gonna give it a little stir. Okay, I have my baking sheet already in the oven. The oven's already on. Okay, so I have the nice big sheet tray out here and we're about to assemble. So first we're gonna dump the water here and then start putting them together. So when I do it, I just grab a stick and then just go right through the, stem of the mushroom. And then give her. These are pretty big mushrooms. So I think I'm only gonna do one or two. Yeah, these are pretty big. I'll say just do two per. Just gonna put that right on the sheet tray. There, you can even start it like that. Just watch your fingers. Don't want to impale yourself. Then you won't enjoy it. There, I got 3 on that one. That one's kind of at its limit here. Let's see, we got 3 on one more. But I already wasted those extra sticks. Wasn't quite sure. Wasn't really paying that much attention because that's how easy it is. This is so easy and so delicious. There you go. One last, oh, she's rolling away. One last thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt on top. This little sprinkle here. So I already did oil this sheet pan here. And then just a touch more pepper. I feel like I didn't get enough pepper. All right, so these are assembled. I got it set on 375 there. Now I'm gonna toss these bad boys back in the oven. You know, I usually do this barbecuing and I don't really time it. I just look and see when they're ready. I'm gonna say 20 minutes. We're gonna throw these in the oven for 20 minutes and we'll see what they look like. All right, those bad boys are in and let's let them cook. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's open the oven and see what we got going on. Oh, those mushrooms are sizzling. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. All right, so I did find this brand new camera angle. I didn't realize I could get. Hey, that's how real we keep it around here. We're just real guys snacking. So they're looking pretty good. I will say I did finish it on broil and let's get a closer look here. Okay, so we're ready to rock. I got this with a little bit of parsley garnish here and it's looking good. It's smelling delicious. It's healthy. It hits you with that big blast of sodium. I don't know, maybe some protein too. Pretty easy and healthy snack here. So let's see, the 1 bite challenge. Okay. Whew. That is hot. Wasn't right for how hot that was gonna be. Darn. Some nice mushroom juice coming out. Anyways, that was delicious. That is so good, especially if you like a little bit of a salty taste there. Heck yeah, awesome, umami. I hope you guys try it. Use it as a side or just a nice little snack. All right, guys, catch you in the next one. Peace.